Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Yeah, buddy. Ready? Yeah. Hold the rope.
Excuse me, keep your bum back.
Keep your bum back, man. Bum on you. Afraid to move. Go. Go.
Did you hear? Keep your butt back, not your knees, genius.
Take him out.
Ich möchte jetzt richtig Zauberei sehen. Komm, jetzt, Papa. Au!
This is the fastest way to ruin a picture-perfect moment. Buddy, maybe practice riding before showing off your new motorcycle.
Ready?
Ready?
Hey, what happened?
In a real fight, her opponent wins without breaking a sweat.
What am I imagining? You got her a little bit.
The car was like, nope, I'm not waiting for that gate.
Alles klar, Digga.
Whoever trusted this truck with their bike is crying rivers now. What?
You did.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say gato?
How does a phone end up swimming in spaghetti? After a long day, the boss caught him perfecting laziness.
Yo, you want some chicken?
Me not hungry.
You're not hungry? All right.
Only in Montana, man.
Who's signing up for a free shower like this guy?
Now he's getting a rinse. Oh my god.
He never knew he'd become fish food so quickly.
Or Baylor.
Allora, mi raccomando, appena finisci, questo va nell'indifferenza.
These dudes just cracked the ultimate eco-friendly trash bin hack.
Mi raccomando, tutto qua dentro.
Okay, so here's how to make spaghetti, and you have to make sure that it's
Bro, stay out of the kitchen before it burns itself down.
you have to make sure that there's water in the thing, but why is it on the bottom?
Okay, I'm like, huh?
What's tougher, his skull or the car roof? Let's find out.
Ты что творишь-то, Максон? Ты что подарок?
Her first day at the gym, and she's already making history.
Aí, Renan, academia pra você, ó.
The driver here, definitely fresh out of driving school.
Маленькую бутылочку сока, совсем чуточку конфеток и маленькую баночку варенья.
Coming home doesn't mean avoiding the ultimate wipeout.
We're coming!
I hope somebody's watching or something. They're going, look at that crazy woman out there. Dear.
Tonight's dinner just made a quick stop in a deer's stomach.
Okay, it's scaring me.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Oh my god, what is that?
Grandpa, you're not Harry Potter. Welcome to the real world.
Oh, baby!
Нанотехнологии.
Dude, what's your car made of? Bubble wrap?
Get ready to bail.
Bail if you want, but say goodbye to your job too, champ.
Oh, no, 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 no.
This job is clearly out of this truck's league.
Oh, no, 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 no.
This has to be everyone's dream job until reality hits.
Pieni katsastustarkistus. Meillä sulla on mitään välyksiä.
Definitely the smartest DIY idea for construction workers, hands down. When interns handle tasks alone, this is what you get.
Hey, what happened?
This truck deserves an award for sheer determination. Wave goodbye to that paycheck, buddy. It's gone. Next time, try being just a little more careful, bro.